Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to slow and speed audio in CapCut PC. This is a very useful tool when you want better pacing in your edit, especially for voiceovers, music, sound effects, tutorials, short-form videos, and cinematic clips. If you need to speed up a slow voiceover so your video feels more energetic, or slow down an audio track so it better matches your visuals, CapCut on PC makes that process quick and simple. Speeding audio up can help remove boring gaps and keep viewers engaged, while slowing audio down can create a more dramatic, relaxed, or emotional feeling depending on the scene. The nice thing is that everything you need is built right into the editor, so you can make the adjustment directly from your timeline and fine-tune it in just a few clicks. You do not need to export the audio separately or use another app, which makes the workflow much faster when you are editing a full video. To begin, go down to your timeline and find the blue audio layer you want to edit. Click directly on that audio clip to select it. This could be a voiceover, background music, a recorded sound, or audio that has been separated from your video clip. This is important because CapCut only shows the specific editing controls for the clip you currently have selected. So before changing the speed, always make sure the correct audio layer is highlighted, especially if your timeline has multiple audio tracks. Once the audio layer is highlighted, move your attention to the top right properties panel and click on the Speed tab. That's where the audio speed controls are located. This panel is where you can control how fast or slow the selected sound plays without affecting the rest of your project. Inside the speed section, you'll see a setting labeled Times. By default, this is set to 1.6, which means your audio is playing at its normal speed. This value works like a speed multiplier, so increasing it makes the audio play faster, and decreasing it makes the audio play slower. To make the audio faster, drag the slider handle to the right. As you move it right, the audio will speed up, which can help tighten pacing and make a voiceover feel more concise. This is useful when someone is speaking a little too slowly, when you want to fit narration into a shorter scene, or when you want your video to feel quicker and more energetic. To slow the audio down instead, drag the slider handle to the left. This is useful when you need more time for a dramatic moment, want to better match a shot, or simply need the sound to play more slowly. For example, you might slow down music for a cinematic reveal, stretch a sound effect for impact, or adjust narration so it lines up better with what is happening on screen. As you adjust the slider, it's a good idea to listen back and make sure the timing feels natural in the context of your video. Small changes can make a big difference, especially with spoken audio. A slight speed increase can make a voiceover feel cleaner, but pushing it too far may make it sound rushed. The same goes for slowing audio down, because too much can make it feel heavy or unnatural. Now, here's an important tip you definitely don't want to skip. When you change the speed of audio, the voice can sometimes start to sound unnatural, distorted, or even a little cartoonish. This happens because changing speed can also affect the pitch, making the voice sound too high when sped up or too deep when slowed down. To prevent that, look right below the speed slider and check the box labeled Voice Tone Change. Turning this on helps preserve the original pitch of the voice. So even if you make the clip faster or slower, it still sounds much more normal and clean. This is especially important for voiceovers, talking videos, tutorials, interviews, and any audio where the voice needs to stay clear and professional. That's really all there is to it. Select your audio clip, open the Speed tab, adjust the time slider, and enable voice tone change to keep the sound natural. Once you understand this workflow, you can quickly fix slow narration, match audio to visuals, or create better timing in your edits. With this built-in pitch correction, you can make fast and easy audio speed adjustments in CapCut PC and get polished results in just a few moments.